everyone, and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today we're going to be making some edible slime. This is amazing! It's slime and it's edible! So let's start with 2 tablespoons of potato starch. Put that into a bowl and follow that up with 50 ml of water. We want to stir it all together so there's no lumps. This is so fantastic, this slime. It's edible, so it's so safe. Once that's done, we're going to add some blue food dye. Add it in and give it a good stir. Wow, this blue is fantastic! Remember, you can do any colour you like. Perfect! We're now going to take that mixture and microwave it for 20 seconds. Look at that! It's already starting to look like slime. Give it a little bit of a stir. And next, we're going to microwave it for 10 more seconds. And that's it! We have the slime! Doesn't that look amazing? Super cool! You can play with it and stretch it just like normal slime, but it's 100% safe. This is perfect for little children. What are you going to do with your slime? Looking good! So much fun! Remember, you can use other colours as well. I've made some, so let's have a look. Here we have purple and green. Doesn't the green look amazing? It looks almost radioactive. I've also made some red. It's looking like a rainbow. Let's complete the rainbow with some orange. And finally, some yellow. Perfect! A rainbow of edible slime. What could be better? Let's start to play with it. I've got a metal cookie cutter. This is going to cut through the slime perfectly. And I'm going to do it on the join between yellow and green. That way we'll get a mix of the 2 colours. Voila! Amazing! That is super cool. Let's try it with the red. I've got a little bit of purple and a little bit of orange in there too. Looking good. This is so much fun to play with. What else can we do? Let's do another star in blue. This time it's got a bit of purple. This is so much fun. Wow! Look at the stars. And you know what? You can eat them! That's right. It's super safe. Edible slime. Perfect for young children. Doesn't have borax in it. So there you go. Edible slime. Thanks for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. We hope to see you again soon. Bye!